To our dearest panelists, to our beloved Deputy Administration, Mrs. Florencia L. Capillan, and to our hardworking thesis advisor, Mr. Roland Magsino. Good day, I am John Michael C. Piñano, Bachelor of Science in Criminology, 3rd year B. This is my thesis proposal entitled Benefits of Public Transportation to 2nd year Criminology student at Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus. Background of the study. A public transportation is a system of transport for passenger by group travel. System available for use by the general public. The importance of public transportation is it facilitates exchange the travel. The importance of the public transportations play a critical role in the liability of a community. Therefore, transportation allow for access to food, healthcare, education, opportunity, and employment. Millions of people around the world use public transportation every day. Some of them commute to work, school, or university, others to get the city center for a walk, or to personal meeting. The thing that unites them is there will be get to their destination quickly and comfortably. Just a couple of years ago, people would dream to changing public transport to provide vehicle. However, nowadays, more and more people find a new advantage of public transportation every day. The world situation with coronavirus has one more time proven that no city is able to operate properly without buses, trams, and subway. Winter and summer tires change plan, inspection of petrol and parking costs. These are only the most obvious expenses that each car owner has now to spend a adequate operation of their personal vehicle and their own comfort and safety. Theoretical framework. Theory of plan, behavior, and the customer satisfaction theory. This is study present a model of comprehensive sociological process on the individual public transit. Use decision making which is accomplished by the integration of the theory of plan, behavior, and the customer satisfaction theory. The theory of the transportation should unfold the most important of relation to economic and political life. It is also about the sometime began to familiarize with the writing of the new school of sociologists and through that I found in their analysis of society. Particularly, it is that a school a base of which to work out my plan. Conceptual framework. Independent variable. Number 1. Profile of the respondent. Number 2. The positive effect of the public transportation. Number 3. The difficulties experienced encountered in public transportation of criminology student. Number 4. The effect of the public transport. A. Positive effect. B. Negative effect. Dependent variable. The benefits of the public transportation to second-year criminology student at Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus. Statement of the problem. This study was aimed to determine the potential of the benefits public transportation at Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus, and especially its aim to answer the following. What is the profile of the respondent in the determining of age and sex? What are the difficulties experienced encountered in public transportation of criminology student? The effect of the public transport in terms of positive effect and negative effect. Hypothesis. There is no significant relation between the benefits of public transportation to second-year criminology student at Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus. Scope and limitation. This study mainly focused on the benefits of public transportation to second-year criminology student at Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus. It make use the researcher consider every aspect of student personal information. The process include their demographic profile and survey questionnaire. This study is limited only for 30 students from Laguna State Polytechnic University. Selected student in Bachelor in Criminology, 10 students from Section A, 10 students from Section B, and 10 students from Section C. This study is conducted at Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus at Barangay Dagua, Lopez, Quezon. Significance of the study. This research study will discuss the significance of the benefits of public transportation to second-year criminology students at LSPU from year 2021 to 2022. To the student who use public transportation, the result of the study will help them be on time in school and less hassle. To the LSPU Lopez Satellite Campus, this research gives impact on the effectiveness of being LSPU. To the researcher, this research will give them piece of knowledge and experience in field of the public transportation. To the future researcher, this study can be used to generate research data for future studies of the validate and validity of other relevant discoveries. This study gives them background information of the benefits of public transportation at Laguna State Polytechnic University. Dated literature. According to them, Andrea Hamre, 2014, Bukenkuan, 2016, Madeline Lamana, 2020, Jennifer Legaspi, 2020, Martin Barta, 2020, Dia Banliuro, 2018, Johannes Riesler, 2021, Rivka E. Perez, 2022, Charmaine Samalagunu, 2021, Barcelo Sonyo, 2018. Research design. The researcher will use descriptive research can be used to investigate the background of the research problem and to get required information needed to carry out research. It is used multiple ways by different organizations, especially when getting the required information about their target audience. The researcher chose the descriptive method because it will enable them to explain and collect the data required to fully comprehend the benefits of public transportation to the second-year criminology student. Respondent and sampling technique. The researcher will use a simple random sample is a randomly selected subset of population in the sampling method. Each member of the has exactly equal change to being selected. Laguna State Polytechnic University Lopez Satellite Campus. Students are target is consists of the 3 sections. Then every section will composed 10 students each according to the list given the enrolled second year student at total of 83. The target sampling is consists of 30 random students, particularly 10 students from 2A and 10 students from 2B and 10 students from 2C. Research locale. The researcher chosen Dagua Lopez Quezon as the location for this study in order to have easy access to the information needed for data collection from respondent. The information was gathered at the Laguna State Polytechnic University Lopez Satellite Campus. Research instrument. The researcher will conduct research using a survey questionnaire. To know the benefits of public transportation, the questionnaire is divided into 3 parts each, which is the design to determine at the study particular problem. Data gathering procedure. Researcher check the validity and reliability of the research instrument before collecting data. The sample size is calculated. The survey questionnaire are written ahead of time. Each respondent will be given a short form online questionnaire to complete during the data collection process. During the experiment, the researcher will be directly accordingly. The researcher will be tabulate, analysis, and interpret the data after collecting it. Critical treatment of data. The data gathered by the researcher will tallied, encode, and interpreted using different statistical tools. The statistical tools techniques that were used in the elucidation of data and inferential statistical tool comprise the percentage mean of the range interval. Thank you for listening. The researcher is now ready to hear your suggestion and recommendation.